Hello and welcome back. We are going to be building another rally car. It is very simple. You're going to be needing these pieces. A windshield, 2 of these, a nice black roof or any color of your kind, 4 wheels, 1 of these, 2 of these, 4 wheel covers, something like this. 1 of these, smooth, 4, a block, 2 block, a seat, and a steering wheel. Remember, this I've just gotten out of our box. I'll be doing a review, just showing you all around our Lego city that we built, my brother and I. But this is all our mumbly-jumbly pieces that we've gotten from all our other Lego sets. Our cars that have been broken in our boxes. So these are all just different colors. You choose your colors that you think will suit the car. So let's start off with something like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks long. Okay, you're going to take this, put a wheel cover there, a wheel cover there. You're thinking that this looks a bit like a police car since I've used red and blue on here. I don't know if I've got the right colors. Take that special bonnet, plug that right on there. Make sure it's stuck down. So it should be looking something like this. You're gonna take that and hold on, no, don't take that. Take a steering wheel and put that over there. Take your seat and you'll be putting your seats on over there. Take that and put that at the back. Should be having something like this. It's looking more like a car now. So now we've got our base. It is looking good. Take your things that you plug your wheels on with, and stick them underneath, just like so. You're going to be taking that 4x4. Put this on the back. Make sure that the beginning here, these first 4 go on the first 4 here by the top of the wheel covers, not behind the seats exact. Then you're going to be taking your 4 that has that stick there and plug that on the back, just like that. Take your smooth and plug it on like this. So we've got something looking, I don't know, like it's meant for picking pieces up and putting them on the back like a flatbed. So you're going to grab your windshield and plug that at the edge of your car. I've been saying plug that a lot, haven't I? It's becoming a habit now. So take these, put them here. You should have 1 block there. Plug it on there. And put that hanging over there like so. Do the same for the other one. Put it on there and hook it on the other one. So you should have something looking like this at the front. These are its roll bars. Does not have a front windshield. So let's put our roof on. Clip it on the back and you should have something like this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Go ahead. It's time to put our wheels on. Ta-da! It may be looking a bit small, but you have some space there. You might be able to fit through here. You might, or behind the seat, you may be able to fit a spare tire there. That's why this is here. But I'm thinking for the video it'll take quite up of our time. It has no doors, because a rally car you will be driving around and you're not going to be needing your doors. It's got a roll cage, so it's pretty safe if you drop it. Only the roll cages fall out because that's protecting the car. So let's go ahead and put these back on. Now I'm going to be showing you how it'll look if you have the spare tire inside. It is a bit cramped in here, but once you put it in, a little bit it does does lift up the roof a little bit at the back, just a little bit there. Doesn't make it look too pleasant at the front. That's why I wouldn't recommend doing it. If you really did like this video, please hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon, and stay tuned to all of our other videos. Thank you, and bye-bye. See you next time. Cheers. This is the T Bros. Bye.